You asked me, can you join it together?
Hello? Yeah.
As you're watching this nigga right there, he's on medication. Like, don't. Have you seen what I'm saying?
Hey, I hope you didn't put me in video camera, man.
Have you seen what I'm saying? Have you seen what I'm seeing? Eh? He's on medication. Don't mind whatever he's
You better stop playing on me, man. Seriously, man. I always blow my nose, man. Come
Don't
on now.
mind
What's wrong with you
whatever
guys?
he's saying there because he's on medication. Nobody is calling him. Nobody is calling him.
Oh.
Nobody. He's not. He's not.
Talking to himself.
He's not even talking to anybody.
I'm crazy, man. I'm crazy.
Hey.
Don't mess with me.
Can you see that? Can you see that? You know what? My man don't even have any friends on Facebook. He just like adding himself on
I
Facebook.
got one. It's only myself.
He's on medication. You better watch out for the medication part 2. This nigga crazy though.
Ain't nobody can handle this.
Have you seen? He said nobody can handle that.
Yeah.
That mosquito bone.
1,000 push-ups a day.
Yeah, he said that 1,000 push-up, but I swear to God, but his chest looked like a flash chest, sandpaper. A muscular chest. Oh no.
Oh man, y'all niggas too funny. Anyways, it was a real funny video, you know. Yeah, so subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Do whatever y'all gotta do, man. We out. Peace. Damn, I still can't believe his freaking toes is out. Nah.
Let me see.